Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hip, hip, hip. Hooray!
Hip, hip, hip.
Hooray! Happy birthday to you, madam.
You really had me fooled. Yes. This is the best way to do it, baby girl. I know you were planning it in the evening, but this should be the best. What now? This is my little gift. Oh, Jesus, you are unbelievable. What did you get? Oh my God. Yeah. It's your day. Happy birthday. Thank you so much. I love you. And I love you guys. Look at my gift. Yes. Oh, happy birthday, Destiny.
Happy birthday to you. Okay, madam, I am sorry, but we'll have to cut this cake by the spelling of your name.
Yes.
Okay.
Wow.
Okay.
So let's.
Okay.
Yeah.
Somebody give me D.
D.
Give me E.
E.
Give me S.
S.
Give me T.
T.
Give me I. Give me N. And give me Y. Destiny. You can have such a good bomb.
Oh, yeah. Happy birthday, darling. Yummy. Okay, there's a knife here. Let's cut it. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Happy birthday to you once
Happy
again.
birthday to you. You're welcome. Sorry, sir. I'm so sorry, Mary. Forgive me. Welcome.
Oh, your madam. You want this place?
Yes,
It's
thank
okay.
you for patronizing us.
You are welcome. This is coming from a fine girl. Who am I not to?
What's going on here?
Come.
I believe you. Just now.
that. Is that how guys behave now? I mean, this dude was already here in my shop, shopping. When I brisked in, scattered as I was. Of course, I bumped into you, but I said sorry now. Should be there, I said sorry.
Yes, no, I was here.
Then we now walked away to your shop. So is it in the couple of seconds that I bumped into him and said sorry and was walking away that he
Noticed?
saw me enough to the point that he thinks
You
I can be his- I can be his woman.
You entered his eyes.
So I slap you. Who's gonna enter eyes? Is it flash and dash? Cha! Like,
Oh
he
my
likes
goodness.
me, wants to take me out.
But, babe, let's just, go out and have fun. I don't think there's anything wrong with
Come
that.
even give me a car, join. Yeah. Guess what this is about? What? Shana, wait, did I see where? Shana, I they pain me. I've been able to see where. What? What does he do? What is this? Is that really casket?
Casket. Casket jeweler. Oh my goodness. See package, you know.
Are you serious? God, I beg. Just when you think you have seen it all,
I'm telling you.
another version unveils itself.
From nowhere.
Coffin.
Ah!
That way. As in casket.
That's it.
Jesus Christ.
That guy is so bold.
No. It's his audacity for me. Because I still remember how he took space. And then took a swipe out from his pocket. And then casually he said, here's my coke. Call me. Hey brother! I'm not gonna call you God. God, I don't want to make that call. I don't want coffin. What I want carry and do?
Hey! Omo.
I am so petrified right now. Hey! How can you be selling coffee? Now wow, money must be made though.
I'm telling you. And you know what? That guy is too handsome for such business.
I mean,
He's
he's not.
Oh God, this is
He's not handsome. Oh. No matter as you want find rich. Coffin selling is a deal breaker. No, brother, I'm not gonna fall for that. How can you be selling coffin? No. The coffin has sucked away all the attractiveness. Nah, I don't see it.
And he's doing it in a classic way.
Because money must be made.
Oh yeah.
See people hustle. Yeah.
Hey,
Oh, but I'm shook. I'm shook to the marrow.
babe. I wonder how he makes his customers. How does he pray? Like, God, I need people to die so that they'll patronize me.
I think just as every other business, people they get links and associate, and you probably have allies like the express, highway, in case one kind of accident can happen. Hey God, now they'll probably call him on the phone and be like, customer, I'm telling you, customers are human beings that have died.
And he will call you and say, babe, I've made money today.
He's really the call. You're the one that say he's fine. Take him. Carry him and be going. In the midst of all the coffee selling, you still find him at 30. Your eye no good.
No, that's you.
You should be your husband. So that this is what reminds me of that Undertaker. The wrestler. Back in the day when he's coming to the WrestleMania house and he's carrying inside coffee. Probably now this man they supply them coffee that time. We don't know.
Oh my God.
I'm not understanding anything in this record.
How?
Confront.
Check well.
Joy, Madam should better come back and wrap up with that man. Because the way I'm seeing that man, he's not ready to quit until Madam gives him an answer.
If he's not ready to leave, let him go get a mat and lay there till Madam comes back.
Joy.
Yes.
Wait, so you are actually supporting Madam standing a full-grown man up outside, really?
Yes, now.
What for you, Joy? Be a gentlewoman for once now.
As long as he's not inside here, I don't care. He can stay there all day long.
Really?
Yes.
Joy. I'm not surprised. It's fine. I wish that to every man that comes your way.
Back to saying that.
Which one is back to say that?
Back to saying that. Now all the girls when they come your way, I return and give them back.
But you know I'm a gentleman.
You.
Of
gentle.
course you know.
You. See your face. Gentle.
I swear.
I beg.
No, but what Madam is actually doing to that man is not fair.
I beg. It's good.
You will support her now. Listen, I support the man. Men support men. What Madam is doing is not good.
Women support women.
I don't blame you. Like, you go support her, right? No sense. Better go and check your record. They do women support women until Madam comes.
Hi.
Did you say something to me?
Yes. I said hello.
Hi. I didn't hear you. I'm busy here.
It's lovely. Rare to see beautiful, elegant lady like you making good use of their brains. I mean, not being consumed by the social media, brouhaha, and all of that, or answering unnecessary calls.
You seem to have a way with words, especially around beautiful women. You also don't know how to ask for their permission before you sit next to them.
My apologies, actually. I walked in here and I spotted a beautiful lady seated here all alone. I just decided to come have a word with her.
My friend is in the bathroom. She'll be out shortly.
I was actually expecting you to say you came here with a man. But since you came here with your friend, your female friend, that's good, because I would have cried out so loud. But this is a perfect opportunity for me to have a word with you and know you more and better.
I saw you talking with Helen outside. What were you guys talking about?
First, she told me that they have a lot of things to fix in their shop and she have been calling and texting her madam and she's not picking. And she also said I should help her to call our madam to know if they are together.
Well, I do not know what the eligible bachelors are doing. I think they are blind. But I am not blind. And I'm going to use this opportunity that God has given to me, well, to make you my Miss Right. My name is Best.
Really? What kind of name is that? I'm kidding. That's a lovely name.
Thank you.
Destiny.
Destiny. That's a beautiful name.
Thank you.
You fulfill destiny in life.
Amen.
And in my life too.
Oh.
Oh my God. I'm so happy to meet you.
I am so flattered right now. So, you stay here in town?
Oh, no. I came to stay with my sick mother. She'll be undergoing surgery later this weekend.
Oh. Sorry about that.
It's okay.
It's nice to see a son that cares for his mother. Because you know mothers are the best.
I know. That's why I'm here.
Right.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So are you going to be less busy this weekend to go out? And then go see my mother?
Are you asking me out on a date?
Not like that. Please.
Excuse me, guys. I need to pay the waiter for the extra one I took. I'll be right back.
So...
Anything?
No.
Okay.
So if you're not asking me out on a date, what was that you just blurted out?
Okay, well, you know, I'm new in this city. So I'd like to make good opportunity of this city this weekend. Maybe visit nice places, restaurants and all of that. So, it is a date with you, my destiny. Oh, do you have any other thing you're doing this weekend? Okay. I'll leave you right now. So please remember to call me. I'll leave you now. So call me.
But you too like food. Now when you eat finish, you say you won't go buy food again.
Omo, person wey work must chop. What were you expecting? That I won't eat. You that is telling me I too like food. Don't you like food like madam?
I like food though. Yes, it's the truth. But no carry me compared to where the madam dey. They like food, they love food and they like am so well. And they spend better money on food.
No, what do you expect? No, okay, you don't want them to spend better money on food. So after the hustling and stress they are going through, you don't expect them to enjoy? Omo, they go enjoy money, they'll go to places, they'll go and don't even say it though.
But their own is too much. Yes, it's too much. They spend a lot on food.
Really?
Yes.
I don't know what to be your own, no. I don't know what to be your own because the money is not even yours. This is why you are complaining like this. Madam, rest, not be your money. Come, but wait though. Are you even sure it's food they actually went to eat? Because it don't take time. I not gonna understand. They just kept the whole thing on standstill. After the numerous calls and text messages, no response. This thing choke. I don't understand.
It's you guys now. You guys don't take your eyes off good women. So what do you expect?
Like this girl. I beg. Just be a good judge. But it's fine. No issues. Make I go buy my food. I beg, where that cooler is.
2 plates.
Two, you dey crazy. What dey worry you for it? Which 2 plates? After you don't yap me finish that to the chop.
Serious.
You are serious? You know where?
Don't be madam money you want use go buy. I go report you safe.
Oh, baby girl.
What's that?
Where is our sunshine?
Hey, what did you say? Your what?
Your sunshine.
Your sunshine. Your sunshine just got a call from his mother and he had to run off.
Run off?
Mm-hmm.
What do you mean he had to run off? To where?
Oh God, please. I have to be at my shop. If I run off, you wanted to know if I got his contact. Yes, I got his contact.
Oh, okay. Since you have his contact, then you're fine. We're cool. Let's go.
You are incorrigible.
Let's go there.
Let's go, girl. Oh, yeah. I've got loads of calls and messages from my... Omo. Don't choke.
What is it?
Choco Milo is the case now. So, for this weekend, Best wants me out on a date with him. And so does Sam.
Now you be the hottest chick in this town.
Tell me about it.
Every guy wants to date you.
Story of my life.
But if you ask me, I will say you should move on with Best. You know what? So we'll not get to think about casket, you know?
There's something about Sam that I like. Something.
I beg you. There's not any special thing about Sam. The only thing I can remember when I think of him is that his casket business. Come on. Destiny, make the best of this opportunity. My candid advice. What are you saying? Go out with Best and have fun. See this weekend? My guy is flying all the way from Abuja. And I cannot wait.
Come on.
Because I will spoil myself.
Okay.
In fact, I'm going to be a little spoiled brat. Oh yeah?
Girl, you have this.
I'm going to have fun, baby. In fact, I will go with a full pack of ice cream. Mm-hmm.
Oh, baby.
Mm-hmm.
You're a girl on a mission.
Like I said again.
Come on.
And that's why I'm urging you to get on board and make it worth it. Girl, go and have fun. You know, let's be honest here. You've never been in a relationship that lasted more than 1 month.
Oh, please. Don't you even dare go there.
No.
Is it my fault that my relationship don't exceed the month? Is it my fault?
Then make it worth it with Best. Forget that casket guy. You know, so that not when you guys are enjoying yourself and you'll be thinking about caskets. What do you care for, Jerry? You don't want drink?
When did you come?
This morning now.
Oh, you're
Yes.
welcome.
Thank you. Hope you're invited.
To what?
My bad. I'm sorry. I should have said this before now, okay? I'm celebrating my party with my friends, okay? The truth is, guess what? I've been promoted. Yes, more rank has been added to my ranks.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Mom, I need to pick this, please. Emergency.
Okay.
Hello, officer.
Destiny,
Yes.
I hope you'll be around.
I don't know. This weekend is pretty tight for me. I have a lot on my plate.
Hey, no, Destiny. You have to try, please. I'm begging you. Even if you don't like my handsome son, this is an opportunity for you to get to know him better. Yes. Maybe because he's an officer. But I tell you, yeah, you might even have a second thought.
Mother, come on. Let me think about it.
Think about it? Destiny. Oh, I get it. Maybe my son has come late in your life.
I haven't said that, Mother. I promise I'll get back to you.
You promise?
I promise.
Okay.
I need to go inside. I've had a really long day. I'm tired.
It's all right.
Okay, fine, all right. I'll be there. Just give me a minute. Mom, what did she say? Is she coming?
She would have come now if you had told her on time.
I wouldn't know when is the right time to tell her such. But I wouldn't even know. I don't know. But don't worry. I'll find a way to tell her, to convince her to come.
You have to do something about it. Unless you have seen another girl that is nice like Destiny.
No, Mom, I haven't. If I have, you'll be the first to know. You know what? If I find a girl, you will be the first to know. Come on, let's go. Don't worry, I'll talk to her. I've been shooting.
Nice. What was it this weekend? First, it was Sam. Then Best. And now.
Now listen, mister. Before we go any further, I want you to turn off your mobile phones and your walkie-talkie.
I have already turned my walkie-talkie off before I even got here. But as for my phone, sweetheart. Okay, fine. That look. I know that look. I'll turn it off.
Please.
It's off. Okay. You're happy now? You sure you're happy?
Who's calling me?
Your call. Go ahead and pick the call, and after that, you're going to switch to that.
Excuse me, please. Hello? Who is this?
I don't understand.
It's for you.
For me. How did they get you? How did they got to have your number?
Just take it, Mike. Take it.
I'm still shocked that how they got you have your number. Sorry. Hello? Yes. Are you serious? Okay. All right. I'll be there right away. Sweetheart.
I can't keep doing this with you. No, I'm done.
Babe, please, I beg of you. I understand how you feel, but I promise I'll make it up to you, okay? It's a case about a little boy, a case I've been working on. They'll kill him if I don't.
No, just go save the world. Give me my phone.
He's innocent of the crime he was accused of. I'm sorry. I promise I'll make it up. No, babe, babe, I'm sorry, babe, I said I have to go. Babe, let me just go, okay? I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Destiny, why are you feeling bad because of this guy? Look at you. You are hot. Why can't you just drop this guy and move on? I keep telling you this, but you will not listen until the very day you have your heart in your palms.
Really?
Yes.
Benita, really? Is that what you think I should be hearing right now?
Destiny, what do you expect me to say? You want me to use a word that is as sweet as honey? Oh no. Because I have done that severally, but you blocked your ears. You don't want to listen.
What would you rather have me do? You don't understand. A love like Mike's incredible type of love. You need to experience it to feel the way I'm feeling. It's not that type of love that you taste and drop and walk off the door.
Oh, really? Then sit and lick his ass while he breaks your heart in return. Destiny, what is wrong with you? You're a big girl. You have met men, for Christ's sake. Mike is not an exception. Okay, fine. So many women are married to police and soldiers. Maybe you go there and learn.
Not now. Hello, Mom. I'm fine, Mommy. How are you? Good. Seriously? Mom, you called to find out if I have a man now? Are you being serious? Mom, I'm trying. I'm doing my best. Okay, no. The answer is no. I don't have a man. Yet.
I'm still believing God, Mom. Yeah. Sure, God will do it. Good. Everything good. Mom, can I go? Of course. I mean, thank you. And do take care. I'll talk to you later. Of course. So I have a man. Son, have you been able to discuss with Destiny about the weekend?
Mom, not now, please.
Not now?
Yes, Mom.
When? By weekend? Come on, son. You are busy and she's busy too. This is not how to do things. You have to make out time for her. Let her feel important. Yes.
But I understand. But there are certain things you don't know about myself and Destiny. But I'll fill you in when I'm back, please. Mom.
Yes.
I and Destiny, we dated severally and broke up.
Oh, I get it.
Mom, to be honest with you, to be candid and honest with you, Mom, my job and I was what made us to break up. I didn't make out much time for her. My job took me away. Most of our engagements, most times we are even meant to be together. Due to cause, I'm always not there for her. She got so fed up with everything.
Whatever it is, son, I think this is the right time for you to fix it.
Mom, you don't understand.
Make me to understand.
That is why I said when I'm back, I'll make you to understand some certain things, Mom. Okay? Come to even think of it, Mom. She wouldn't even listen to me, even if I tried to talk to her. She won't listen. She won't. Mom, I'll talk to you when I'm back, please. Please.
Man, Benita, man. I'm done. I am officially done with Mike. I beg. I know if he shouts. Make I no go die before my time. I'm done.
Are you serious? Like you're done? Well, you know, I've heard this over 1,000,000 times and I'm not going to believe you until I see actions from you.
Benita, I don't know what actions you want to see, but I mean it this time. I'm done.
Okay, let's wait until I see his test. Then when I see your reply, I'll know if you're serious or not. Right now, I am not believing you.
Whatever.
So, how is the weekend going to be?
I don't know. I guess I'll just wait to see what the tide blows my way.
Babe, are we not clubbing?
Seriously?
Come on!
To call or not to call? 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 Oh, damn it, just call. Hello. This is Destiny.
Wow. Destiny called. Thank you.
You're welcome. How are you?
I just came back, went to see Mama in the hospital. But I was about stepping out before you called.
Oh, your mom. How is she, by the way?
She's recuperating. She's dead all the time. So how about you?
Good. I'm good myself. I'm okay. I just I thought of you. I mean, you crossed my mind and I thought to give you a call. Find out how you're doing and ask you if you would like to share a drink or two with me this evening.
That's great one. I think I need that right now because my head is full. I had a lot of thoughts in my head. And it's okay, do you know of any nice place we can go?
Sure, of course. I mean, down the street where I live is a very cute joint. Yeah, we can hang out there. I'll meet you in an hour there, and of course I'll forward the address to you. Okay. So see you then.
Thanks for
Yes.
Yeah. That was a change of plan for me. I think the game is about to kick off. Yeah, don't worry. I'll give you feedback anytime. Hey, beautiful.
It's really unpleasant to keep a lady standing.
You had me seated here with all sorts of guys coming to say bullshit to me.
I am so sorry, right? This will not happen again. And I can assure you that no one is going to try that nonsense in my presence. Okay? I delayed coming because I got a call from the hospital to come see Mom and get a few stuffs.
Your mom?
Yes, my mom. Just sit.
You just bought your ticket back into my life, mentioning your mother. I still hate what you did to me.
I am truly sorry. Very, very sorry about the whole delay. And I promise this will never happen again.
Now, how's your mom?
She's getting better. She sends her regards.
She did what?
Sends her regards.
Meaning she knows.
Yes. She is my one and only. I told her. What?
Why? Why would you trouble your mother with topics that have to do with us?
Ah, come on. She needs you to calm her nerves down. You need to come with me and see my mom. She smells everything. Just everything. I mean, if you can call her a soothsayer, a visioner, she sees through tomorrow. I can smell your palm, touch it, and see what is going through your mind.
Is that right? Well, I do know I wish her a speedy recovery. Mothers are precious to me. Yeah.
You speak so good about mothers. See if you enjoyed one. Reason you look this gorgeous.
Well, you look good too.
Thank you. A minute, let me call the bar. Barman! Barman! You know, I've been wondering how we got so comfortable with each other, like we've known each other for so many years. And yet, let's get a twist. You started here. I mean, if we are this wonderful, lovely, why are we still lonely?
You like me.
Well, the last person I liked or loved stabbed me really bad. Well, that's another story. Not for this mood.
Oh, really?
Yes.
What's the mood for, big boy?
This mood is how to get my lady down. Make her scream and man so loud. Hit her like a tiger would do to a tigress.
Considering we just started knowing each other, I think this is where we'll stop before we ruin things.
It's okay. I know we're matured. Anyway, I got a hotel, stayed in a hotel downtown. Would you love to join me?
No.
No. Why?
I don't want to go downtown. It's late into the night. Plus, my house is just right around the corner. Plus, it's my comfort zone.
Okay. So, can I go with you to your comfort zone?
So, welcome to my house.
Wow. You have a good taste, but simple.
Thank you. Would you like a drink?
Yes. But not something strong.
Oh, I like that.
That's good.
So the night can go soft and easy.
Better for you.
I'm gonna go change into something more casual.
Okay. Do you mind if I come and watch?
You're so naughty.
I know.
I'll be right back.
Alright, I'll be waiting.
To a wonderful night.
This is a toast to a sweet night.
And I hope you're going to enjoy me tonight.
With what I'm seeing right now, it is more than what I'm having. And maybe destiny will help you this night.
Thank you, darling.
God
Say that again. She thinks it's all about her. Destiny this, destiny that. She thinks that she's the only woman on this planet. But I'm here.
That is none of my business. All I want is a sweet night.
And you will get it double.
Come to that. Yeah, get what I get from that.
I could live in this moment.
Absolutely.
Meeting you is such a breath of fresh air. The kind I've been longing for a long time.
I could say something for myself too.
And the music. This is giving me deja vu. Reminding me of the past.
The past? What past are you talking about? Oh. Your past with your boyfriend, Stone.
Wow. My, oh my.
Son?
Mom, you look so gorgeous and
You
beautiful.
can say that again.
I almost mistook you for someone else, for real. Mom, wait. Are you thinking of taking a new husband?
I wish I can say one. So I can just jump on him.
Mom, how I wish Destiny was here. She would have laughed her ribs out. I'm telling you, Mom.
You always talk about destiny. Why didn't you invite her on time?
Mom, but you never can tell. She could still make it. And meanwhile, Mom, Kajal. Mom, you look young forever.
Oh, yes.
You know what? Jay-Z sang that song because of you. Come on. Let me please.
What did you do to me? Did you hit me?
Yeah, I did. That is one rule I hate breaking. I don't hate women. You know, as a child, I witnessed my father molest my mother, beat her up. I detest that so much. But don't worry. I only used my 4M to hit you so you don't sustain heavy injury on your face. Ah, you have no injury. But it's okay. Now listen to me. Don't ever try shouting for help. Because no one is gonna hear your scream. Did you hear that music? Yes, that is coming from your neighbor's get-together party. No one will hear you. If you scream from here to Jerusalem, nobody's gonna hear you. But even though they heard you, they might think maybe the sound is coming from your neighbor's get-together party. So you see, you are trapped. Now listen to me very carefully. I have so many questions to ask you. And I want nothing but the truth.
Mom, let me loudly introduce to you my colleague, Jessica. She was part of the team that helped me rescue Alhaji Musa's son from the hands of the kidnappers. Really? Yes, Mom.
Oh, you're welcome, my baby.
Yeah. Mom, meet our sisters. Our sisters? Yes, exactly.
Oh, come on, give me that. You're welcome.
You know what, guys? Come on. Go and feel free. Enjoy yourself. Make yourself at home. Wow! Chioma! Chioma, you're here! Mom, meet my team. She's part of my team too. Though she's scared of bushes.
You're welcome.
Chioma, you're welcome. Please make yourself comfortable. And yeah, Mom, you know her. The registrar.
Oh,
yeah. Mom, my handler, you remember him? My handler is always there with me. I can't go any mission without him. Yeah. Joe, you're welcome. Now your house now. Feel free, bro. Make yourself comfortable. Wow. You know what, guys? I'm really happy. You all made my damn hustle. Irrespective of the fact that a lot of people are still on the way coming. But I must appreciate this wonderful, beautiful, and handsome people in the house. You understand? Alright, guys, you all know it's no longer in news that today is my day. I have been promoted. More ranks has been added to my rank. You know what it means? Yeah. It means I'm no longer the same senior officer I used to know. Now I've stepped on the next level. Guys, enjoy yourself, okay? Listen, guys, I want you all to feel free. Food on the way, chops on the way, name it. But let's start from the drink. Feel free.
Oh, yes.
Entertain yourself.
Enjoy yourself.
Let the party begin!
What are you going to do? Rape me?
Rape you? Are you so dumb? Was the hitting so bad that you can't even remember that few moments ago we were very, very close to having the most beautiful sex of our life? Well, you stepped in looking so beautiful. That was tempting. Very, very tempting. But you know what? I would have used that opportunity to nail you down if I wanted to rape you. That's not part of the plan.
The plan? What plan? You mean you planned this?
Yes, I did. Who would have planned all this if not me? Who?
Oh no, you couldn't have planned this. I mean, we met coincidentally.
I was watching patiently, waiting for my time. Yes, for my time. Well, I didn't come on time when I got a call from you that you're coming to the bar. I delayed, wasted a lot of time so I could create this trauma in your head and get you so angry. I did all that. Of course, I know when I come with a story of being with my mom, you will buy it. You will fall for it because you have this passion for mothers and also to gain my trust.
I mean, your mother is not at the hospital.
My mother died many years ago.
Now, let's celebrate.
Yeah.
Wow. Yes, mom. Okay, mom. Now.
Hope you guys are enjoying yourself.
Yeah.
Of course. Carry on.
Okay.
Mom, you said you needed company, right? I got you one.
I never said that. Yes. But if you have finally convinced Destiny to come around, bring her in. Let's party together.
Mom, you're not good at guesses. You guessed wrong. Come in! Surprise! Oh, Dad.
How are you, sir?
I'm fine. You're welcome.
Thank you.
What is it?
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Listen, guys. Please. That's all. I'm no longer comfortable with all this thing, all the things going on with you guys, please. No. Let's call it truce. Let's end it. Please. Every child deserves his or her parent. Come on, don't deny me this, I beg of you. Please. Settle yourselves. Settle this. I want my parents to be back together. Who knows? This could be the reason my relationship has not worked out fine yet, Dad. Because of my foundation is being wounded and it has refused to heal for a very long time. It's really unfair. Please. You not consider me now. These are my old parents together. Dad, please, what took you long? What happened? You were supposed to be here before now.
Yes, actually, my journey was fine. Only that the person you asked to come and pick me came very late. Very, very late.
That boy Johnson. I'm sorry about that. No problem. It will happen next time. Sorry about that.
Good evening, Mr. Tony.
Good evening, sweetheart. You look so pretty this night.
Thank you.
Mom, please, like I said, you guys just sort this out, please. Please, let's call it a truce. Please, let it end.
Okay.
You guys just talk things over, okay?
Son, attend to your visitor. That's mine.
Yeah, I know. But it's mine now.
Why are you doing this? Best. Why?
Best. Best is not my name. Well, for the sake of this relationship, we can get it going. It's all fine. Best.
Look, I have money. There's a lot of money in the bedside drawer in my bedroom. Take it. Take all of it and let me go.
That's all of them. Everything. I sell sex toys. I'll pour you. Well, it made me understand that you're such a lonely woman.
Oh, you are such a sick bastard.
Hey!
What the hell do you want?
Hey! Stop that! If you dare one more time! Did you see this? Did you see this? Just one bullet and you are gone.
You know, this is cheating of the highest order.
How? What do you mean by cheating of the highest order? You see, that is why I always present my complimentary card as a casket seller.
But, wait a minute. How do you expect anyone to stay with you?
Exactly. That is my own part of the game. So, whoever found me interesting will come to me. Now, look at how beautiful you are. And you decided to spend your time with me. That shows how much interest you have for me. And trust me, after this night, let me tell you, your account balance is going to change figures.
Come here.
See, let me tell you, after tonight, you will know that you've spent a night big sound.
I can't wait.
I'll come to daddy.
Where is the gold?
What gold?
I was in prison with your boyfriend, Stone, and he told me everything.
Listen, if you're here because of Benjamin, aka Stone, then I'll tell you for free that nothing good can come out of this. I don't know what you're talking about. I mean, Benjamin died years ago. And prior to that time, he was in prison for 3 years. He and I cut ties long before that.
I am not here for a courtesy visit. And I don't want you to waste my time either. Stone told me he gave you personally 95 million naira worth of gold. Where is it?
90 what?
You heard me right.
95 million naira worth of gold?
Don't act surprised. Don't.
You just mentioned 95 million naira. You said I should not be surprised.
Are you trying to tell me I do not know what I'm talking about?
Go and search the house. Search the whole damn house.
I already did. I searched everywhere. I mean, every nook and cranny of this house. I just don't want to break things in your house. So, where is the gold? I couldn't find it.
I can't help you best. I wish I could. I don't know where any gold is.
I can say I can say you're making jest of me, right? No! You're trying to fool me, trying to make me look like a stupid man. Alright. Let us see. Let us see who walks out of here with that gold. Let us see who lays here dead. Let me ask you, how are you enjoying your attitude here?
Oh, very lovely. As you can see, I'm enjoying myself.
Really? Okay. I must swear that your accusation towards me of sleeping with that young girl is not true.
You want us to do it here?
As long as I can bring you back, no problem.
You're not serious?
Really?
Yes.
Hello, Joy. Hello, Joy, can you hear me? Listen, Joy, I'm tired of waiting. I don't understand what's going on. Madam said she would call us on conference call by 10:30. This is almost 12. Are you not seeing the time? I don't know what's going on.
That's true, of course.
Hold on, what's wrong with you?
I don't know what I ate that's making my tummy to turn me.
Why won't you have complications with your tummy when you practically eat everything that comes your way?
See, now you get your mouth. Fam. What should we do? Should we call her to know if she's sleeping? Because she says the meeting is so important.
I'm not sure I'm doing any calling because I don't want someone who will tell me how I was born. Because I woke her up from the best dream of her life. Please, I'm not calling Madam. I suggest we call Jane to do the calling. You know Jane and Madam are very close. So I think we should call her.
Okay.
It's alright, I'll get back to you. Okay, Jen. If you don't want to call Madam, I understand. There is no problem. I believe we will all leave it to you tomorrow. Yes. It's okay. Hey, hold on. Don't hang up yet. See, Jane, can we talk about us? Yes, about us, Jane. Listen, Jane, I love you so much. Yes, and all I just want from you is to give me the opportunity to show you how much I care about you. Yes, Jane, you won't regret it, I promise you. Yes, this night is the perfect time we can discuss this. Yes, Jane. I'm serious. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. I love you so much. Thank you so much. It's alright. Yeah, thank you. It's alright. Bye.
You are the apple of my eyes, baby. Without you, I never sleep for night, cause I want to hold you.
Where do you think you're going to?
What's the meaning of this? I'm leaving, of course. Because you don't want me in my son's house, so I have to leave.
Go back to the States.
Are you commanding me?
No, not at all. Go back.
Mom, the wines are almost empty. We need more wine.
Did you drink all of them?
No, I didn't.
Oh, I remember. I carried about 2 cartons to Destiny's house.
Oh, you did?
Yes.
That's fine, that's nice. Alright, I'll just go to a place and get the drinks.
It's alright.
Dad, Mom, I want the both of you to please sort out your differences, okay?
No problem, sir.
I don't know what you're teaching me and what I'll teach my kids, please. Just call it a truce.
Alright.
Settle. Please, Mom. Let me rush to a place.
That makes you scared when we talk about love. I'm here for you to dry your tears. So give me your hand. Let me show you what love is. Give me.
Destiny. Why are you so wicked? Why are you proving difficult? I told you from the onset that I hate hating women, and you provoking me. Why are you so wicked, callous, and want to eat all alone? Do you have a guest? Expecting someone? Now listen to me. Make sure you don't scream. Make sure you don't scream. Oh, I'll put a bullet in your belly.
Destiny, are you there? It's me, Mike.
Hey, don't even talk. Don't. Now, I will walk you to your bedroom. You stay there and don't say shit. Did you get that? Now, come here.
Hi.
Hi. How may I help you?
Is Destiny up?
Yeah.
Is she upstairs?
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
As you can hear, the shower.
And you are? Who are you?
My name is Daniel.
Okay, I'm my next door neighbor. The one that's having the party. The celebrant.
Oh, the police neighbor.
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
It's a pleasure. The pleasure is all mine.
Good.
Yeah. I can see, it seems you guys are having lots of fun. Yeah, so much fun.
You can see that again and again. You can hear the shower, right? Come on, let me not spill my woman to you.
It's okay. I came because my mom dropped some wine with her for my party for her to chill, so I came to pick it up.
Yeah, I know. She told me about it.
Oh, she did?
Yes.
That's nice.
Alright, you just relax. Let me go get them for you, right?
Hold on. Come on. Let me help you.
Nah. Now you wouldn't want to see my girlfriend come out from the shower naked. You bump into you face to face.
Yeah, that's true.
So just relax, okay?
Yeah.
I'm coming.
Okay.
I'm coming back.
It's okay.
Yeah.
I'll wait.
You can just have your seat.
It's okay, I'll stand.
Alright.
Yeah.
Do you know we have left our son for a very long time now? Saying he's matured, that he understands. But such has destroyed so many children.
You heard what he said. Maybe that is what has been disturbing him in his relationship for years. And what he's going to share with his children.
What says you right now?
You are the man. You are the one to say if we are going to start all over again.
At this age?
We have our children to thank for that.
Wait. We had a guest. Your police friend Mike was here. Make sure you do not scream, or there will be casualties. I'm sure you don't want that.
Take your drink.
I don't feel like taking it. There's alcohol. No, I don't like alcoholic.
Since when?
Mom?
Mike?
Dad, Mom, I can see you two are catching up with times.
As you can see, so.
Hope you got the wine.
Yes, I did. Mission accomplished. It's in the refrigerator.
Mission accomplished. And destiny. Why didn't you bring her here? That was my main plan of dropping those wines there.
Mom, what is it with you with Destiny? I don't understand. What's so important about that girl anyway? Mom, I just don't talk about her, please. Can you imagine? I went to her apartment and she is there making out with her newfound boyfriend. They're making love. They're turning the whole place upside down, Mom.
Why do you say so?
You won't believe it. I met the idiot. He came out sweating like a Christmas goat, telling me, can you hear the shower is running? Mom, I just don't want to talk about this, okay? They can tear each other for all I care. Let them kill themselves, I don't care. Mom, please, just don't talk about the bullshit.
I don't blame the girl. Yes, I don't blame her.
What's with your son, boy, this time?
He met the girl I was telling you about with another man in her house.
So sad. Very, very sad. No wonder.
It's been a long day. And we are into a long night. But I promise you, you are going to tell me where you hid the gold.
Please. I'm so pressed. I want to ease myself.
Oh, poor girl. But you know what? I don't care. Yes, you have been mean to me all day. I don't care. Be there. Be right there.
Please. I really need to go.
All right. I am going to do this on one condition. Don't scream. Don't do anything funny. Don't try escaping out of that door. Because with one bullet, you're going to have a big hole in your neck. Am I clear? Did you hear me? Good. Be a good girl and stop making me feel like you don't understand me. I'll be right back.
Can you tell me who is your friend? I be the person now, your friend or your foe. Hey, friendship no be say we dey flow. Try the main thing I be say we dey grow together. Try. Jealous and envy, they bring you wahala. Jealous and envy, they go so scatter. Be careful who you call your friend. No be anybody you go give your trust. Oh, be careful who you call your friend. Cause fake people plenty. Fake people plenty. She una dey see. Betrayal they happen every day for this life. Nobody go give you warning before they strike you. They are forming to be angels, but they are serpents in green pastures, waiting to strike. Oh.
You have to go check it out yourself. Before someone plays the smartphone and the smart girl.
Angels, but they are serpents in green pastures, waiting to strike. Oh, be careful who you call your friend. Be careful who you call. Don't be anybody you go give your trust. It's so dangerous, yeah. Be careful who you call your friend. Cause fake people plenty. Be careful who you call. Be careful who you call your friend. No be anybody you go give your trust. They can come in white and black, just for you. Be careful who you call your friend. Cause fake people plenty. Oh, na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Yeah, ba. Oh, na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Hey, ba. Be careful who you call your friend. Be careful who you call. Don't be anybody you go give your trust. It's so dangerous, yeah. Be careful who you call your friend. Cause fake people plenty. Be careful who you call. Be careful who you call your friend. No be anybody you go give your trust. They can come in white and black. Just
Now, playtime is over. Let's get into the real shit. You're a dumb girlfriend, they say. But now, you're not dumb. You know what you are doing. And I know. And you know what I'm saying.
You are an evil man. And am I supposed to be scared of you?
This is not a threat. It's not a threat. I'm at the clock. If you don't tell me where to get that code.
What will happen? You will shoot me? Kill me? What exactly will you do?
I'm very sure you don't want to feel the painful effects of this on your knees. Huh?
You wouldn't dare.
If you kill me, how then will you get the gold?
Yes, that is it. Thank God you admitted you have the gold.
No, I didn't admit to any shit. I do, however, admit that I know you. I know you.
No, Dad, no. No, don't tell me that, Dad. She did it intentionally. Yes, Dad, she did it. She knew what she was doing. She knew I was going to be there and she planned all this thing all out just to pay me back.
Pay you back?
Yes, Dad.
Did you do anything bad to her?
Not really. We dated, it didn't work out between us. Though, Dad, I was the reason it didn't work out.
You don't need to use it to hurt yourself.
Dad,
yes.
You won't understand.
She has shown to you that she has moved on. You need to embrace it. As a man you are, I moved on. I know it is difficult, but there are other good women outside there also. Yes.
Thank you very much, Dad. I appreciate your advice. But it's so hard. It's so difficult that to move on. You see, I love her. Irrespective of your saga, I do. She used to believe in me, Dad. She believed in me. She trusted me. She followed me, Dad.
And you think she will not go out there to share it with two of her friends? No, to know their own idea. Who will now give her their own ideas for her to digest? Yes. She can.
Benjamin wrote me lots of letters and some of them had to do with you. He said that you are one of the errand boys he had back in the prison. And you did whatever it took to stay out of trouble because you never wanted to get an ass whooping from them. Little Woolsey.
Is that right?
Mm-hmm. So you see, I do know you. I'm not scared of you. So go ahead and untie me and I'll forget that this nonsense ever happened.
I know what you're trying to do. You're trying to be smart, right? You're provoking me. There is something Benjamin didn't tell you. He didn't tell you that I killed him. And the worst is about to happen if you don't cooperate with me.
I'm so sorry about that. I'm so sorry, everyone. Yes. Please, I need your attention. Because we are about to enter the stage 2 of this celebration. Yes. For some years now, I have not been together with my husband. Yes. And it has affected my children in different ways. So tonight, I want to announce to you people that we are back together again. What a night. I'm so happy. You are the apple of my eye. Thank you so much.
Without you, I never sleep for nights. Cause I want
Let's go for celebration.
All I'm asking is give me just one chance. Let me prove my love for you.
Destiny. The game is over. Enough is enough. I begged you. I appealed. So you can tell me where the gold are. But you keep dribbling me. You keep making me feel like a fool. Like I said, we are going to see who walks away from this house with a gold worth of 95 million and who lays down here dead. I best killed Benjamin Ekeh. And killing you is nothing. I'm ready to forfeit everything. I mean everything, including your life.
Mom, why didn't you tell me what you had in mind to do? Why?
I never had anything in mind. And you that invited your father, what did you expect?
Mom, you should at least hint me on what you had in mind to do. You have told me.
I'm sorry, son. It was a very hard decision for me to make. After several pleading for your father, I decided to consider him. Yeah.
Mom, that's fine. It's okay. Mom, I want to thank you for putting I and my sibling into consideration and accepting our father. I love you so much, Mom.
I love you too. I can do anything for my children.
Thank you. Mama, this is so comforting. Very comforting.
Yeah.
No, I'm going to sleep well tonight with a good feeling.
Hey, what will be, son? Is that right?
Exactly. Mom, thank you for accepting our father.
You're welcome. You're welcome, son.
At the count of 3, if you don't start talking, then you're gone. 1, 2.
Okay, hold on. I say that you're serious now, but seriously, why would you want to kill me, Ekeh?
Speak.
I know nothing. If you kill me now, you'll be killing an innocent woman. I mean, I really don't have what you want. And that is the
Is he dead? I don't know. Oh, how did you get in here?
Remember, I have your spare keys.
I'm glad you're here.
Honestly, we need to call the police.
No, I don't think that's a good idea.
Why?
This guy was in the same prison with Benjamin.
Benjamin? Your ex?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
It's okay.
Ah!
Are you okay?
No. I'm not okay.
Are you okay?
No.
Oh, listen, it is not your fault. It is what it is, okay? The world is full of crazy people.
No, this guy's not crazy.
Are you serious?
He's a thief. A thief that thinks I have what he wants.
So, what is that thing he thinks you have?
$90-something million worth of gold.
What?
That's what he said.
90-something million naira worth of gold? But we all know you don't have such a thing.
That's what I don't get. I don't get it.
Listen, girl. We need to call the police.
No. I need to think.
Benita. 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 Where could she be at this time of the night? Okay, let me call her number. Benita. Can you imagine? Her number is switched off. What am I going to call this? Before you know it, the news will start flying here and there that Big Sam have used someone's daughter to do money ritual. Hey.
What am I going to do? Big Sam. Big Sam. What am I going to do? I think I should call the DPO. Yes. Let me make an official report. Hey, look at the time. This man is going to be asleep by this time. Okay. Hello, sir.
Destiny, you need to be in a good mental state in order to tell the police what really happened here. Do you want something to drink? Okay. I'll be back.
Hey, friendship no be say we dey flow, chai. The main thing I be say we dey grow together, chai. Jealous and envy, they bring you wahala. Jealous and envy, they go so scatter, scatter. Be careful who you call your friend. No be anybody you go give your trust. Oh, be careful who you call your friend. Cause fake people plenty, plenty. Fake people plenty, plenty.
First of all, we need to talk so we can figure out what to tell the police when they come.
But Benita.
Yes?
I am seated here wondering if there is something I did that makes you think I'm dumb.
What are you saying?
I mean, earlier today on our way to lunch, you said that the funny thing about dumb people is they don't even know when they're being dumb. And that brings me to the question, what is it I did that gave you the inkling that I am dumb?
You know what? I don't think you're actually dumb. I am sorry.
Benita, you were supposed to be my best friend.
You know what? I keep thinking you are dumb, baby girl. For 90-something million naira worth of gold, anybody can be crazy in this crazy world. Do you know what that money can do in my life? It can change a whole lot about me. I will establish a new world of cosmetic company. I'll start importing goods from different companies. Huh? Baby girl, I cannot miss this opportunity. Never.
So you were crazy enough to believe that I have some gold stashed away somewhere?
Yes. Oh yes!
And is that enough reason for you to try to set me up?
I did!
Wait, did you forget how
nice I was to you when you got into this town newly. I took you in. Treated you like my goddamn sister. Is this how you pay me? Shut up. Shut up, bitch. Can you compare your speech to the millions in gold? They are worthless. You know you talk too much. That is my problem with you. You keep talking yourself out of every single thing. But you cannot talk yourself out of this one. Now, if you don't comply to what I'm saying, I will get you killed. So this whole time, you were faking our friendship for gold. It wasn't my idea. It was Daniel, well, Best or whatever he calls himself. So, how may I help you?
It should be the other way around. I have a proposal for you.
No way. Listen, if it is about my friend Destiny, for me to talk to her on your behalf, no, I cannot do that. It's embarrassing coming from me all the time. Listen, if you want to talk to her, you can approach her yourself. And if it turns out to be bad, you take it, you're a man. Wait. Why are you smiling? This is not funny, for Christ's sake. I mean, I feel very bad whenever guys will want to talk to her, they will come through me. Honestly, I can't take it. Honestly.
Yeah. I got you. But that's not why I'm here. I came here for something important. Something that will fetch us millions.
You know, I have seen you monitor us for a while.
Yes, you're not mistaken. I was only searching for the perfect opportunity to carry out this moment.
Are you trying to tell me that destiny has such thing that will fetch us more than 100 million if traded well?
You're absolutely correct.
How come? She doesn't keep any secret from me. She shares everything.
Yes, she shares everything, but not this one. A gold worth hundreds of millions is capable of changing any person's life. And she wants to eat alone.
But how come you know about this?
Let's say I'm an insider. I know everything. Right? From the reliable source. I can't come, you're not a child. I can't come with a false information.
Well, I'll think about it.
Please do. We don't have time. If not, she will gradually sell that gold. Please make haste. So what do you think?
I'm not thinking anything. It is my best friend we are talking about here.
And you think she wouldn't do otherwise if she happens to be in your shoes?
She won't.
And she did not deem it fit to tell you this little secret, whereas she told you about other big secrets.
Listen, I understand the fact that the money is huge and it can solve many things. But you see, I cannot hurt my friend. Even if she has such amount of gold with her, I cannot betray her.
Do not say even if she has. I am not a child, right? I know that gold is in her house, but it's okay. Can you go to her house and search every nook and cranny of that apartment? I am very, very sure that the gold is there. You will find it.
Even if the gold is there.
Fine. Fine. See, I will source for buyers, alright? They will pay in millions into your account, not mine, in your account. All you need to do is just give me my share. Then we'll go our separate lives. That is it. After all, she's been spending money from the little crumbs of gold she sold, flaunting all around buying houses, and you actually think that money is from her businesses and boutique and other things. How can you be so naive?
Okay. I will try and go to her house and see if the gold is there.
More of it. Yes, that's what I want to hear. Yes, do it fast. Especially now she's out of town.
I'm sorry I scared you. I didn't mean to, okay? I was passing by, I saw the gates open and the door not properly closed. So I thought I could come in and talk to Destiny about her careless attitude of leaving door and gates opened. Then I saw you here. What were you doing? What are you searching for like that?
No, I left my document here in her house and I don't know where she kept it. So I've been searching for it.
Come on. You should have called her. Huh? Instead of stressing yourself like that. Call her and let her tell you where she kept it.
You're right, you know.
That's the best thing to do. Okay, I think I have to call her.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Are you sure you're okay?
Of course.
I'll see myself out.
What do you mean by you couldn't continue the search?
Listen, her policeman friend was there and he stopped me. But I think the gold might be in her house.
Why did you say that?
Reason best known to me.
You know how important this is, right?
Of course.
Okay, what do we do? I mean, when are you going back there?
I am not going there again in search of anything. But we need to draw a plan where you have to go to her house to spend the night with her in her apartment. Is it okay?
That's such a brilliant idea. Why haven't I thought of this?
You see?
I thought I told Joy to get my key from you.
I did.
Hello, girl. What's that? Your key? How was it for you? I don't know. That reminds me. Do you still have my house key?
Yes, of course.
I'll send her to get it for you.
Okay, no problem.
What's up?
How is business?
I'm sorting through some hats here. I'll join you shortly.
Wow.
She has given me the keys now.
Check again.
Alright.
Come. Fanny, what happened? I can't see the record from yesterday's sales.
Jane, didn't you record them?
I did, ma. Let me show you. This page and this page.
There is no other alternative. How do you intend to get into the apartment? Especially now the keys have been taken away from you.
I will get the keys from her.
How? Won't that look suspicious?
Destiny is my girlfriend. I have my ways around her. I would have taken the keys, but I want to get it directly from her so that it will not create any room for suspicion. Let me just borrow your word.
All right. Thank you. Thank you.
Relax.
Hey, who is this hottie?
It's me,
Who
baby.
is that hottie? Yeah,
Oh, thank you.
What's poppin'?
I'm okay. So how are you doing?
I'm good.
I can see that.
Babe, I'm here to know how you're preparing for the wedding. You know, I don't want us to carry last at all. I don't want carry last though.
But I won't take on carry last. Is it not us again?
I trust you.
Relax, I got this. Listen, at the end of today's work, we'll go home together.
Okay.
Then I'll show you a line list of samples that my designers have sent my way.
Oh yeah?
You get confused. You don't know which one to choose from. Because girl, each style is a hit.
You see?
Back to back.
That's what I'm saying.
It's me now.
I trust you. I trust what you can do.
I know.
Baby girl.
Yeah.
Destiny, why would you join your kids this way? What if you get lost? You'll be stranded, though.
Girl, I've not had time to separate these keys. Just leave me and these keys.
When you have me here, let me have one of the keys as your spare in case if you're looking for other ones.
Spare, Abby?
Yes.
You know, that's a good idea. Because this key feel lost one day from my hand.
You see?
Oh my God, I could just wake up one day and I cannot find this key. What will I now do? Jesus Christ. It will be very disastrous. Take it out.
Okay.
And hold on to it.
That's why I'm your friend.
So, back to the wedding. I spoke with at least 4 designers. And they have sent me different samples and patterns. In fact, I have so much to choose from that I'm almost getting confused.
Don't worry, I'll...
You ought to have refused. But I tried. I tried, Destiny. But he had a new plan, which I thought would work out, but he didn't. I even came to your house to search for the code, but I couldn't lay my hands on it because I don't know where you kept them.
Hey, Destiny. You know what?
Hi.
I noticed you were back, so I decided to come know what you got for me. I'm sure you got me something nice.
I missed you.
I missed you too. Look at you. You're looking so ravishing.
Oh,
you know what? You don't look like we traveled.
Well, clearly, you missed me.
I missed you so much.
And
Seriously.
now you know what it feels like for me when you're gone for days, weeks, and sometimes months.
That hurt. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I'm so sorry. That reminds me. The other day I was coming back from work, I noticed your gate was open. I sneaked into your gate just to surprise you. I saw your friend Benita. She was searching your place.
Benita?
She didn't call you?
Oh, yeah, she called.
Oh, she did?
She called telling me about a missing document of hers. I didn't know she would come searching for them here.
Destiny. You have to be careful of that girl. I wouldn't want you to break some legs, okay? You know I got you. I always got your back.
Let's go inside.
Hope you have my usual.
What is it?
You'll see.
But you see, he's dead. Lying lifelessly. But look at me. I am alive, baby girl. Ready to get hold of the gold and become richer.
Yeah, I see why you killed him.
I never did. He did. It serves me right. Because 100% is better than 50. Now cut the bullshit. Go get the gold!
You want the gold to search the house?
Yes! Move! Lead! Move! Move!
Move it! Move it! Move it. Benita, I'm shocked you would do this. You were supposed to be my friend. How dare you betray me?
Destiny, I don't care. Because all I care about right now is the money. And I'm pretty sure that the gold is right in this house. So, search for it. Search!
There's no such gold. There's nothing here. Nothing. Does it look like I have any gold stashed here somewhere?
Now move it. The drawer. Open it.
Stop looking at me.
Move it. Move. Move it. Move it! Move! Now, where is the gold? Where is it?
I don't have any gold in this house, as you have seen.
Oh. You are joking with me, right?
I'm not. I really...
Shut up! Shut up! I will blow your skull into pieces if you don't show me where the gold is.
Benita, you need to calm down. Take a moment and remember all the good times we had as best friends.
You are stupid. Do you think I'm joking right here? Do you think I'm joking? Where is the gold? I will kill you if you don't show me where the gold is. Where is the gold?
There's no gold.
I will shoot you.
Please don't shoot.
Show me the gold.
I don't have it.
Where is the gold?
Please.
Are you okay? I'm sure you're fine.
Yes. Yes.
It's okay. What's going on here? It's okay. It's okay, I'm here. Just calm your nerves. Everything will be fine.
Hi.
Destiny.
Hi, Mom.
How are you doing?
I'm fine. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Please sit down.
Okay, we can sit.
Yes, please.
Thank you. Hey. Oh my goodness.
What do I offer you people?
Oh, nothing. Don't worry, my daughter.
Don't worry, we're fine.
Destiny.
Yes, Mother.
I am here to know your stand over what my son have been telling you. Yes.
I thought Mike would have given you my response by now.
Mom?
Mike,
Mom?
what is going on? Is there
Nothing.
anything you are not telling me?
Mom, the truth is I wanted it to be a surprise. That's why I asked you to come with me. Myself and Destiny, we've decided to spend the rest of our lives together.
What?
She has agreed to marry me.
For real?
Yes, Mom. We are getting married.
Oh my goodness! I'm so happy. Oh my goodness. This is what I have been praying for.
Yeah, exactly. Now this call for celebration, you can get it.
I'll be right back.
Okay,
Yeah.
my dear.
Hi.
Isn't she so beautiful?
She's beautiful. I love her.
No be today where I dey eye you. You are the apple of my eyes, baby. Without you, I no fit sleep for night. Cause I want to hold you tight, baby. Oh. All I'm asking is, give me just one chance. Let me prove my love for you, baby. Can you give me just a chance? Let me prove my love for you. You're my everything, I say, now you, now you, now you, now you, now you, now you, be the one that make me smile, be the sun that shines so bright, even brighter in my life. know you've had a terrible past that makes you scared when we talk about love. I'm here for you to dry your tears, so give me your hand. Let me show you what love is. Give me just one chance, let me prove my love for you. Baby, give me just a chance.